Hello, here is FCNFM. Grain dryer is an efficient and simple machine used for drying farm products. It can control drying temperature, saving energy and making rational use of resources so as to effectively dry and achieve high-quality product quality. It can not only improve the efficiency of drying, but also reduce the processing costs and improve the quality of farm products. In addition, grain dryer can also improve the durability and quality of the products, extend its storage time, and improve the efficiency. More things made in China, more grain dryers made in China. If you want to know more, please contact us.